Hey guys, this is Faris from Think Smart Tutoring. So today we're going to be looking at this 5-mark IBAA question. It's an SL question, but it could have easily come up on a HL paper. And it's basically integration, but with a specific bound. So it's given us the initial condition. So it's what we would call an initial value problem, where we're meant to integrate. And instead of just simply having the plus c, we're actually going to find the specific function that fits both these two conditions. The f prime is this, and the f of 0 is this. So let's go about it. First of all, in order to find f of x, they've given us f, like the differentiated version of f, so we have to integrate that. So that means that f of x is going to equal the integral of f prime of x dx, because when you differentiate and integrate, they're opposites. So that's the integral of 8x divided by the square root of 2x squared plus 1 dx. Now, for those of you who might know the chain rule, you might see that immediately what to do. For those who don't, I would recommend we do a substitution. So you'll notice that the differential of this is a multiple of the outside. So if we just set u equal to 2x squared plus 1, it's going to simplify it, it's going to make our lives a bit easier. Then du becomes 4x dx. And so this integral becomes 2 du, right? Because we can basically write, the point is this 8 we can rewrite as 2 times 4x, and so the 4x dx becomes du, and then we have the 2, and then over the bottom it's going to be square root, and 2x squared plus 1 is u. So this is just a simple case of integrating 2 u to the minus 1/2 du, because that's the, when you have 1 over the square root, it's going to be negative 1/2, and so we add to the power and then divide. So if we add 1, that becomes 1/2, dividing by 1/2 is multiplying by 2, so it should be 4 square root u plus c, which is 4, remember u was 2x squared plus 1, and then plus c. So that is in general going to be equal to our function, but we know that f of 0 equals 5, and f of 0 also equals 4, and then 2 times 0 is 0, so 4 root 1 plus c, so 5 equals 4 plus c. That means that c equals 1. So that means that our final function, including the initial condition, is going to be 4 square root 2x squared plus 1 plus 1. So this sort of satisfies both conditions. The f of 0 is 5, and the f prime of x is given by this. And obviously you can differentiate just to check, but it should work out. So yeah, this is one of a sort of a bit more difficult integration, since we have to also consider the initial condition, but it's not super bad. It's only 5 marks, should take around 5 minutes in the exam. So hopefully that was clear. As always, if you feel like you need a bit more tutoring, either with maths or another subject, then feel free to head over to Think Smart Tutoring. The link is in the description, both for international and for Dutch candidates. And yeah, it's sort of, the tutors always have recommendations. We sort of have ideas about what could work, but ultimately it's up to you as students and also with your parents, of course, as to what you would like. But yeah, I'll be making more of these videos, so have a great day, and I will see you guys soon.